Good morning, children. So, last class already we have learned regarding character set, constant, introduction to C, keywords, identifiers, variables. So, this class we are going to learn that is expressions. So, already know what do you mean by expression? That is, it's a combination of operands and at least one operator. So, operands can be values, constants, variables, or functions here. For example, 10 plus x or else 10 plus 5, it is an arithmetic expression which evaluates to 15. So if x is a variable, then x plus 15 is an expression here. So in expression we have these many statements, that is expression statement, control statement and compound statement. In expression statement, so that is x is equal to y plus 2. So x is assigned the value of y plus 2, x plus plus, that is y is incremented, a is equal to b is equal to 0. So that means a and b both are initialized to 0 here. So control statements we have which will specify the flow of program control, that is the order in which the instructions are executed in a program. So last one we have a compound statement. So you can look here children, in compound statement it is a block of code written or embedded inside the curly braces. So here block of code it is been written here. So that is the compound statement. Control statements or compound statements and are act like a single entity within the program here. So we have a structure of a program, children. So here you have to check how to write the program, what is the structure of program. It will start with the preprocessor commands, functions, variables, statements and expressions and comments. So this is how you can see a yellow color block. In that you have you can see here that is documentation section, below that preprocessor directives, global declaration section, main, that is a function again, then within the curly braces declaration, then execution, executable section here. So children, we have a main function. So every C program must have one main function. So this section consists of two parts, that is declaration part and executable part. So declaration part is nothing but here which will declare all the variables used in the executable part here. So already you have seen what is the variable, how to declare the variable as an identifier, that is int num or int sum. So that is the declaration here. So next one we have executable section here, contains all the instructions that are required to perform a certain task here. So I have given one example, children, here. So let us start with the C program, simple C program. Write a C program to find the area of square. You already know what is the formula for area of square. So first one, that is slash star program to find area of square star, then slash, and below that you have hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, void main, int side comma area, print f, inside you have written enter the length of side, scan f, then percentage d and side, area is equal to side into side. So printf area of square percentage d area get ch bracket, that is flat bracket close. So children, here first one is the comment about the program. So compulsory you have to write with the slash and star here. Next one, that is preprocessor directives. So header files, that is stdio, standard input output header file, then conio, that is console